In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish on Shopify. By the end, your storefront will be live, viewable by anyone, and no longer hidden behind a password page. We'll move through this carefully so you know exactly what each setting does and how to make your site public with confidence. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center where you manage products, themes, orders, and settings. Make sure you're logging into the correct store if you manage more than one, and confirm you have the permissions to change online store preferences. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. From there, open Preferences. This area covers important storefront settings like SEO, tracking, and crucially for today, password protection. Inside Preferences, scroll to the section labeled Password Protection. When a store is under development, Shopify shows a password page to visitors, which is great for working privately. To publish your store, you'll turn that off, toggle off password protection so the storefront is no longer restricted. If you see a message asking you to choose a plan before removing the password, that's normal. Shopify requires an active plan for a public store. Follow the prompt if it appears and then return to this setting. After switching off password protection, don't forget to save. Click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This step is essential. Without saving, your change won't go live. Give it a moment to process. Your Shopify store is now active and publicly accessible. To double check, open your storefront URL in a new browser tab. If you previously visited the password page, try a private or incognito window, or clear your cache to make sure you're seeing the current version. You should land directly on your homepage without being asked for a password. A few quick tips as you go live. If you plan to share your site broadly or run ads, remember that search engines and visitors can now access all public pages. You can always return to Preferences to re-enable the password if you need to pause access later. Before you start promoting, it's a good idea to review your theme, navigation, and key pages like contact, shipping, and refund policies, and confirm that checkout and taxes are configured the way you expect. None of these are required to publish, but they help you deliver a smooth first impression. That's it, your store is published, great job getting it live, and enjoy launching with confidence.